Guys, I'm going to show you how to make millions of dollars online by selling products just like this. Let's go. Scroll through your feed on Facebook and Instagram and look for sponsored ads. That means this company is running ads for a particular product, in this case, a neck massager. You can check out the social proof by looking at the likes, comments, and shares to see how popular the product is. You could also go to the company's page to see how long they've been running these ads for this product to solidify if they're actually making money. They've actually been running this ad since August 6th. It's currently September 1st. This means that they're most likely running a profit for this product. Now you can go to Google and see the search volume for the specific product. This is just to see if you're able to also sell it on Google. Just with this one keyword, you get almost 50,000 searches per month, which is amazing. You can use the exact same method for Pinterest as you would Facebook. You would just have to look for promoted by. You could also go to their Pinterest page and see what other ads they're running. If they've been running them for at least 7 days, that means they're making money. What you want to do next is start building your store and running ads on social media. So check out my other videos to see how to do that.